Welcome to 60 Seconds of Unreal Engine. Today I will show you how to export anything from Unreal Engine to your 3D software of choice. In my example, I will use Blender. If you want to export the whole level, you can open up that level, press File and Export All. Then you open up Blender. You can select the file, Import FBX, and then select the file you just exported. If you want to only export for one mesh, for example money, you can do that as well. Find the mesh you want to export in your content browser, then right click, Asset Actions and Export. Because we want to export our textures with our mesh, we export as a .glb file instead of an FBX file. We will leave the export settings as default, but feel free to change anything you'd like. The import process is similar. Just open up your modeling software, import, but then select GLB instead of FBX. If you're using Blender and you want to see the textures, you can go to the texture paint tab. I will also remove the pose here with all the bones as I don't need them, but feel free to keep them in. As always, if you have any issues, either join our Discord or comment on the video. But you are not done learning yet. I recommend you watch this video next.